Make a great choice today with the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, rain sensing wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.